Elliott Bay with Doc T. Hokey. We couldn't ask for nicer weather, a better driver. Oh.
I don't know.
It must be breakfast time. Hammer time. Oh, pitch on right here, baby.
140 feet.
We got one there, little one? We got a fucking big one today.
Fish on.
You know, I think we've thrown back 10 or 20 of these 8, 12, 15, 16 pounders. Looking pretty good, man.
Well, we want the 25 to 30 pound class.
That's right. That's right. He keeps threatening to like go out and buy some furniture or something while I'm out on the boat.
What do you got there? Little guy? A lot of little shakers out here in the water on these early morning, sunny mornings, actually.
We better get a little closer so that girl over there can see it. Fred, turn around, will you? Doc's got something for you. Oh, baby! Get that camera. Give me that camera.
Coming on the boat ramp.
Yeah, we're headed right for it.
Yeah, $8 an hour. Boat and motor. It's an $80 day to get skunked.
Now the boat will work fine. This is great.
How deep are we, brother?
Not licensed, buddy.
Yeah.
Yellow filter there, huh?
Yeah, a little yellow filter.
What's that do?
I don't know, I'm learning.
Make Fred look that urine color that he is? Ah, shit.
How deep?
41 feet.
41 feet.
Yeah.
Marking some fish, though, just off the bottom.
Yeah, we ought to be getting ready for the slab. Fred, get a sandwich. It might work. Big fish. A lot of fish, about 80 feet. Those new apartments up there sure are nice, Fred.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn all that into prime real estate right there, Doc. A lot of money worth of land there. Then I'm doing some oysters right now. All the mood. Oh, baby.
I've done everything right except sure bite.
That's your fault. And we're not real sure yet.
No problem.
No problem.
Not gonna bring me draped over the front of the car.
I told him if he gets up there and he can't walk out, we'll just have to shoot him and quarter him. Put him on a horse, bring him down that way. Oh, Jesus.
Okay, between the two you guys, who's got the bigger fish?
I think today Fred has.
Yeah, ain't no bragging about it, just facts.
Yeah. All right, we ain't caught no big fish today, Doc. We've been practicing.